Today, we're unveiling an incredible opportunity to master Microsoft Power BI for less than $5. Power BI is Microsoft's premier business analytics tool, designed to transform raw data into interactive insights. With features like data connectivity, preparation, modeling, and visualization, it enables users to create dynamic dashboards and reports, facilitating swift and informed business decisions. Now, let's see what this affordable course offers. Number 1. Develop professional quality business intelligence reports from scratch. Number 2. Transform raw data into stunning interactive dashboards. Number 3. Utilize tools employed by seasoned analysts and data scientists. Number 4. Engage in 2 full-scale projects with step-by-step guidance to showcase your skills. Advanced techniques. Number 5. Explore powerful AI tools and sophisticated visualization methods. Number 6. Learn from a top-rated instructor and professional Power BI developer. Don't miss this chance to elevate your data analytics capabilities. Enroll today by clicking the link in the description and start your journey to becoming a Power BI expert, all for under $5. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content.